But the people cannot see the condition of the African countries because the leaders are not seeking how to take care of their people. So we, the people in the Western world, are can return back to the land. They're not seeking out a way how the people that are in the Caribbean can return to the motherland or into America. Or we could say it a better way, the African leaders are not seeking out the black people that is in the Americas for repatriation. They're least concerned. They have no proposal for the black men to return. And we have vast empty space of land that we could return and build cities and towns and bring water in from the river Euphrates, the river Jordan, or the Tigris River, and fertile the land, and we all could be on the motherland. They're not doing none of that. So my question is, what's going to happen to the black people? Because we do not have any protection. We have no one to protect us. If there's a storm now, and the white man said, do not give them none of what we have, a lot of our people die. Died from not getting medication, died from not getting clean water, died from not having adequate housing. We will die. Food, don't speak about that. Because the farmers that we have, they do not have a large farm, like 2 million acres each individual, or 1 million acres farmland. The black farmers of the United States do not have so much land. So what I'm saying, the black men do not have any leaders to guide us. So my question is, what's going to happen to the black people? Are they going to go over onto the European side another 20 years completely? Are we going to seek out a way to return back to the motherland?